Hello guys, welcome to yet another video for the returning subscribers, for the returning viewers. Karibuni sana. Yeah, it's a beautiful day over here and I'm here with a new recipe. As you can see, those are the ingredients I'm going to use. Yes, and I want to bake a cake, simple recipe for making a cake. So keep locked, watch the video till the end, and thank you guys. So let's start with the preparation, guys, and I'm going to start with the eggs first of all. Yeah, like that, and the eggs are really fresh. Then I'm going ahead and add sugar, and I'm going to mix until the eggs and sugar is mixed well. Stay tuned guys, and remember to give the video a like.
I keep running, there's no stopping. Cause when I'm
Yeah, guys, look at the cake. It came out so well and so perfect. I really enjoyed it. It was so yummy. You can try this recipe at home also, and I'm sure you are going to like it. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate. Continue with the same support. Keep liking the video, keep watching, and keep commenting. Yes. And remember to subscribe, put the notification bell on. The ingredient I used, it's in the beginning of the video, so you can try it also at home. So guys, let's end it here and let's meet on the next one. Bye.